To fix the 1000 limit on the Cash App, follow these simple steps. First, open the Cash App and log into your account. Next, click on the profile icon at the top of the screen, which will take you to the settings or profile screen. Scroll down and look for the Limits option. Then click on it. This will display all of your Cash App limits, including send, receive, add cash, and cash out limits. To increase these limits, you need to verify your Cash App account. To do this, go back to the dashboard and click on the home icon at the bottom of the screen. This may also display your current amount, so click on the first icon. Then select the Add Money option. Choose an amount and click Add, then follow the prompts to verify your identity by providing your personal information. Once you've completed the verification process, your limit will be increased. If this method doesn't work, you can also click on the profile icon again. Then select Support and click on the chat button. Reach out to the Cash App support team and let them know you want to increase your limit. They will guide you through the necessary steps. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the 1000 limit on the Cash App.